Good evening, everyone. I'm audible. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So welcome back again in our 30 days training. And yesterday we have seen that what is the importance of data analysis and data science, right? And today we will do some data analysis on a dummy data that we will create in front of you, and then we'll do the data analysis, right? In Excel. First, we will see in the Excel, and later we will see in the Power BI also, right? So let me share my screen, and then we will start the session. So everyone can see my screen. Okay. So first we have to launch the Excel, right? How we can launch the Excel? Just go to the search bar and write Excel, and there will be Excel, and you can double click and you will get the Excel. You can go for the blank workbook, right? And here is your Excel workbook. Now we have to create some dummy data, right? So we are taking dummy data like everyone is gone through the 10th exams and the 12 board exams also. So we are taking just some of the subjects that we are given in this training, and you have scored some marks, and then we are calculating then we are doing some data analysis on those marks, right? So let us assume some subjects. Not assume, we can take the modules what we are taking in this training, and then we can do the analysis, right? So this will be the result analysis, right? Result analysis. Keep it bold, make it more large, right? So what I want in this, I want serial number, and it's not working properly. Serial number, then we need name of the student, right? Then we want different subjects as a header, like we have Excel in this module. Then we have Power BI. Then we have SQL. Then we will have Python, right? These 4 modules are of our data analysis, right? Stats is also there, but this is very less part if you are going for the data analysis. But if you are going for the data science, the stats will be a bigger part of our module, right? I'm not taking the stats because we are doing the data analysis for the data analysis training, right? After that, what I want the total marks, right? Then I want for the analysis, I want the percentage, or I should take first average. Then I have to calculate the maximum marks, right? Then I have to calculate the minimum marks. Then I have to take count, or you can give the count. We can directly go for the percentage. After percentage, we will calculate the result, right? Using some advanced functions that we will learn today. Result, and on the multiple results, right? On the basis of different conditions, we will result 1, result 2. This is result 1. Result 2. and result. Right. So I want this. So let's take the name of the students, right? I'm taking from the chat. Yes. I have Arya. Second. Achal. What is happening? I don't know. Then we have Aishwarya. Yes. Where are we? Chetan. And we have Chetna. Harshad. Jyoti. And we have Komal. And we have Pawan. Okay. We are taking only 10 students. Right. Now what I want the numbers, right? So I'm taking random numbers, what they have scored in this different module, right? So suppose they are getting 67. So we have taken some random numbers. Some of numbers I have missed. I am writing again. Keyboard is not properly working, so that is why we are getting this kind of errors. Right. So we have taken this number. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the total marks. Can anyone tell me how we can get the total? What we have to do in Excel? How we can calculate? You can use some function, right? Yes or no? You can use some function, right? Or what you can do, you can go to the auto sum directly, right? Here is the feature, get total directly. See, it's taking all these, it's taking some function and totaling all the below, all the behind all the cells, right? All the numerical cells. And just you have to press enter and you will get the sum. Got it? So it's very simple. And once you calculated this, you have to just double click here and you will get all the sums at once. Understood, everyone? Any doubt in this? How we have calculated?
Yes, sir.
Understood, right? So see, we have just started directly the data analysis. But when you come in the training, we will explain everything, the ribbon, right? The function bar, the cell name bar, the quick access bar, everything, right? The status bar, everything in the details. Right now, we are doing the data analysis and we have very less time. So I'm directly teaching you all these things. We cannot teach everything in the your demo sessions. Getting my point? So when you come in the training, we will explain each and every basic concept related to the Excel. How you can sum, how different ways you can sum, right? So now we have to calculate the average, right? This also we can do directly. We have the auto sum option and here we have the average option also. So you can just click the average and it will take the average of
Can you
this
repeat
cell.
it, sir?
Which one? Total?
How to sum?
Total or average?
Total.
Okay. So what we have to do, just a second. So suppose you have to take the total, right? One way is what? Just write equal to sign and then write the sum function and then select these cells, right? One way is that you can do. One is directly, just click on that cell where you have to do the sum and go to the auto sum here in the ribbon and there you have sigma sum, right? When you select this, automatically sum function will become and it will tell you, okay, you have to sum E7 to H7. E7 to H7, right? And that is your target. So you have selected the right choice and then you have to just enter and you will get the total sum. Got it now? Understood? आगे आपको?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
अब उसके बाद क्या करना है? सीधे सिंपल जाना है राइट कॉर्नर में, राइट? एक बोल्ड कर प्लस साइन बनेगा, राइट? और उस पर डबल क्लिक करना है और you will get all the sums of each student. Understood? Now, same process for the average. Just click on the cell and go to the auto sum. Here you have the average option also. Select this. But now what is happened? It's taking the total also in the average, right? But what I have to take? हमें average लेना इन चारों subjects का, ना कि total का, right? So what I have to do? I have to deselect this. How I can deselect this? You have to press Shift and then the back arrow. Got it? You have to select, you have to press Shift and the back arrow, it will be deselected, your last cell. Right? Now the selection is correct and you can press enter and you will get the average marks of your all among the all the subjects marks. Got it, everyone? Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. So after this, you have to drag it, right? You want each student to average marks. So go to the right corner when the bold plus sign will come, and you have to double click on that. Just a second. Yeah. Right. Now you have the average of each student. Now come to the maximum marks. How you can calculate the maximums? Same process. Go to the auto sum part. There is the option of max. Choose max, and now also it's selecting the total and average also. But you have to find the maximum marks among the all the 4 subjects only. Right. So you have to deselect the average and the total cell. Right. How you can do this? Shift and the left arrow. When you press, you will deselect the average. Again, you press, you will deselect the total also. Right? Now it's done. Press enter, you will get the maximum marks. So Arya got maximum marks 98, right? In Python. Now you can get each student maximum marks. Got it? It's very simple. Now let us calculate your minimum marks. So it's same way, auto sum, there is option of minimum marks also. Right? Now it's taking the maximum, average and total also. So you have to deselect, shift, left key, and it is deselected, and press enter, you will get the minimum marks. If you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask me. Right? Got it? Understood how we have calculated all these field, total, average, maximum, minimum? Okay. Now let's move to the percentage. Can anyone tell me how can I calculate the percentage? Simple way to calculate the percentage. Can anyone tell me how can I calculate the percentage? No one? No one know how to calculate the percentage?
Total number and divide by number of marks and into 100.
Means you have to divide what? This? You're talking about this? Total?
Yes, sir.
Okay, out of what? Divide by which? Huh? Right, so we have to calculate the percentage. Okay, let me tell you. So what is the formula for percentage? Secured marks divided by total marks. Right? यही फॉर्मूला होता है परसेंटेज का. Secured marks. What is the secured marks? That is the total marks that you have secured, right? And out of what? So each subject is out of 100, right? So if we take 4 subjects, so it is out of 400. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Right. So what we have to do, just press equal to, because you are writing the formula. Then what you want? The total marks, right? And then divide by 400. Right? So this is your percentage. Right? But you say, sir, this is decimal percentage. Yes, definitely it is a decimal percentage. We can convert in the hundreds also. Right? I will tell you how. So first you can calculate the decimal percentage. Just double click, you will get the each decimal percentage. Right? Now you have to change it to the what? 100 percentage. So there is option of the percentage. Right? So when you press this, you will get your percentage in percent 100%, right? But decimal numbers has gone. If you want decimal numbers also till 2 decimal places, so you can press this, right? To increase the decimal places, you can press 2 times and you will get 2 decimal till 2 decimal places. You will get the result. Understood, everyone? Any doubt in this? How you can calculate how you have to calculate the percentage? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. No doubts?
Repeat once.
Yeah. So simplest method is that total marks that you have secured divide by out of what you have secured, right? आपको कितने मार्क्स मिले हैं डिवाइड बाय कितने में से मिले हैं, ये से आपने डिवाइड किया, आपको डेसिमल परसेंटेज मिल जाएगा, राइट? आपको एक परसेंटेज फॉर्मेट मिल जाएगा, डेसिमल में कितने परसेंटेज है, राइट? नाउ को हंड्रेड्स में चेंज करना है, तो आपको सिंपल क्या करना है, यहाँ पे परसेंटेज साइन बनाए, इसको क्लिक करना है, राइट। अगर वो डेसिमल परसेंट के साथ देता है तो ठीक है, अगर वो राउंड ऑफ करके देता है तो आप डेसिमल परसेंटेज यहां से बढ़ा सकते हैं। मान लो अब आपको डेसिमल परसेंटेज घटाना है तो आप इसके थ्रू घटा सकते हो, राइट। इंक्रीज करना है इसके थ्रू, और कितने भी कर सकते हो आप, राइट। और डिक्रीज करना है इसके थ्रू कर सकते हो। अंडरस्टूड नाउ?
Yes, sir.
Right. So some of the analysis we have done. Now we are coming to the result one. And for result one, we will use one of your advanced function in Excel. Right. So you remember about, do you know about, aware about that if else condition? Right? If else, anyone know about these conditions? And you ever have heard about these if else conditions? No. Okay. So, okay, we have to declare the result. So tell me, how can I declare the result? On what basis? So we can have two situations. You can declare result on a particular condition, or you can declare result on a multiple conditions. Yes or no? Right? Guys, you can unmute yourself and you can tell me about this, that you are getting this point or not. That if you want to calculate the result, suppose आपको किसी का रिजल्ट कैलकुलेट करना है, तो आप किसी एक कंडीशन पे दे सकते हो कि आप परसेंटेज के बेस पे दे दिया, अगर इतने परसेंटेज से ऊपर है तो वो पास है, अदरवाइज ही विल बी फेल, राइट। दैट इज वन कंडीशन कि आपने एक सिंगल कंडीशन पे दे दिया, राइट। या फिर आप कर सकते हो मल्टीपल कंडीशंस पे दे सकते हो कि आपने अगर परसेंटेज पे तो पास होना ही है, मिनिमम मार्क्स लेके आना है, आपको ईच सब्जेक्ट में भी मिनिमम मार्क्स लेके आना है। यस और नो?
Yes.
That can be the situation now, right? So first we will go for first situation that you are having only one condition, right? आपके पास एक ही कंडीशन है कि उसके बेस पे आप रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करोगे, he is fail or pass. Getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's do it, and for this we use if condition. If condition. So how can you write the if condition? Let me tell you. So there are two ways that you can write if condition. So first you have to write equal to. After that you have to write if, and then you have to start the parenthesis, right? Small bracket. Now the arguments are in front of you. Everyone can see the arguments. Three arguments are there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. One is what? Logic test. Means on what logic you want to declare the result, right? So logic test you have to give. What logic you are declaring? Only one logic we are taking. So in if condition we can take only one logic. And if this logic is correct, then what you have to publish? And if this logic is false, then what you have to publish? That you have to declare, right? So tell me, what is our logic test? If we are taking percentage only,
Percentage.
right? We have a percentage, so we can declare, okay, if this percentage is greater than 50, we can take this, right? Or
Yes, sir.
should I take 40? 40 or 50?
45.
45, okay, according to you, 45. So what I'm declaring, this percentage, so I'm taking this, we are working on this area block, right? Area row, right? So we are working for area, so I'm taking the percentage of area, and I'm declaring is this should be greater than or equal to 45%, right? If this is the situation, you can see when I'm writing this condition, your logic test is in bold letters. Yes or no? Right? So whenever it is bold, that means you are writing this logic. Got it? Now what you have to do after logic test, you can see there is a comma. So you have to write comma. When you write the comma, you will get another argument is bold now, right? So now you have to declare if this value is true. अगर ये true है, तो आपको output में क्या चाहिए? Tell me, what do you want in the output?
Pass.
Pass, right? So double inverted commas में, क्योंकि हम string लिख रहे हैं, text लिख रहे हैं, तो हमेशा हम text को double inverted comma या single inverted commas में लिखते हैं, तो हम लिखेंगे pass, right? That you want, right? So this is completed, that you have to publish this. Now again, comma is there. See, again, now it's telling you, okay, this is bold. You now tell me what you want to print in the output if it is false. So what you want in the output if it is
Fail.
false?
Fail.
Fail, right?
Right.
Okay. So we have written the failures. Now bracket close. Everything is completed, right? Now press enter and you will get the result. So for others, you have to just go to the right corner and double click, you will get each student result, right? Because every student is getting greater than 45%. He is very clever. He's getting the 45% low. Let me make others marks little low so that they come as a fail also. So Harshad can be fail, right? Because he's getting 49. Let's make 46. See, his marks is now 42% and he is declared as a fail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
formula is for every condition. Whenever
Yes,
you
sir.
change the numbers, your result will be changed. Yes? Anyone saying something? Anyone saying something? Okay. So understood everyone how we can declare the result with using
Yes,
if
sir.
condition?
Yes, sir.
This is very simple, right?
Yes.
Right. So there is another way also, right? How you can write this. Let me show you that also. So whenever you are writing, because right now the formula is very small and you can see all the arguments together, right? But sometimes it's very big when you go for the more advanced functions. It's very difficult to see all the arguments and to write one by one, right? So what you can do in that case, let me show you. So suppose you have to write here if condition. So equal to if, start the parenthesis and then go to this formula bar, right? Here in formula bar, there is fx sign, right? When you press this, your function argument window will come up, right? Let me show you. So your function argument window will come up and here you have to declare all those things, what you have declared here, right? So logic test, very easy. This percentage should be greater than equal to what? 45%? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is completed now. If it is true, you have to declare pass, right? And you don't have to give in quotes because function argument window understand, okay, you are writing string, so it will convert in the string format. See, it converted in the double quotes. Now you have to declare fail in else condition. And when you press anywhere else, it will give you in the double quotes only. Got it? Understood this? How we writing in the
Yes.
function argument window? It's very simple,
Yes, sir.
right? And you just have to press OK and you will get the result. Now go to the right corner and just double click when your bold plus sign will come, right? Yes, you will get the result. Understood everyone? This if condition is clear to everyone,
Yes, sir. Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. So there are lots of basic, right? Before this coming to this part, that how we can calculate the result and how we are writing. So have you seen anything different between when you are writing the text and the numericals numbers in the Excel? Have you seen any difference? Can anyone tell me when we are writing the textual data or when we are numerical data? When we are writing numerical values, when we are writing any text, there is anything different?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What?
Sir, we need to, for string value, we need to put in double quotes.
No. I'm asking for this. Suppose you're
Okay.
writing Arya. and you are writing 67. There is any difference?
Yeah, it is names
sir.
will be always in left side cell
Left
and
side.
numeric
Why?
value it will always be
Can
in
anyone
right
tell
side.
me why? This is intentionally or it is unintentionally? So every time whenever you're writing in Excel any numerical values, that will come on the right side, and when you're writing textual anything, that will come on the left side. That I will tell you in your training, that when you join your data analysis part, so everything will be is logical. Whenever you're writing anything, you can change this your position. You can take this in the middle, you can take in the left side also, but as a default it will be here, and it has some logic. इसका कोई लॉजिक है, ये ऐसे ही नहीं है, राइट? सो आई विल टेल यू इन द ट्रेनिंग्स व्हेन यू कम इन द ट्रेनिंग कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, राइट? सो वी विल स्टडी लेटर, राइट? ओके, नाउ कम टू द रिजल्ट 2. अब हमारे पास मल्टीपल कंडीशंस हैं, राइट? केवल परसेंटेज के बेस पे नहीं, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट फेयर. एवरी स्टूडेंट इज पास, एंड if you see, many of the students are getting not greater than 45 marks in particular subjects also. Yes or no? Right? So this is not fair if we are declaring those students as a pass. So what I thought, I will apply multiple conditions. What I will do, I will apply multiple conditions. How we can apply multiple conditions? Using if and. Right? If and condition. So what I am suggesting, okay, we have to use and in the between of multiple conditions. So suppose we have multiple conditions, you understand the multiple conditions, that Excel में भी 45 से ज्यादा चाहिए, Power BI में भी Excel 45 से ज्यादा चाहिए, SQL में भी चाहिए, Python में भी चाहिए, और परसेंटेज भी चाहिए, तभी वो स्टूडेंट क्या कहलाएगा? पास, राइट? सो एंड का मतलब क्या होता है? Why we are using and? Can anyone tell me?
For applying multiple conditions.
For applying multiple conditions, we can use or also for the multiple conditions. Why we are
If
using
it is
and?
both condition will be true, then in only it will be true, right?
Right. So if all the condition will true, then only you can publish your output as a true. Getting my point? अगर सारी कंडीशन ट्रू होंगी, मतलब वो एक्सेल में भी 45 से ऊपर होगा, पावर बीआई में भी, सीक्वल में भी, पाइथन में भी, और परसेंटेज भी, तभी वो पास डिक्लेयर किया जाएगा. अदरवाइज ही विल ट्रीटेड एज ए फेल. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट एवरीवन? व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग एंड? बिकॉज हमें सारी कंडीशन को फुलफिल चाहिए. अगर हम और कंडीशन यूज करते हैं तो कोई भी एक अगर फुलफिल होती है तो वो आपको पास कर देगा. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes,
Getting my
sir.
point everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So let's do it. Let's do it. And so equal to, and we are writing if bracket started and then bracket started. Right? Now you can see, you cannot see each argument in this here. Yes or no? Right? So what you will do, you will go to the function argument window and then you will launch your function arguments. Right? Now if you see, you have inside the AND function, right? And you have two functions, if and both. So if you want to go to if condition, if function argument window, so when you click here, आप जैसे यहां क्लिक करोगे आप if के अंदर आ जाओगे, राइट? if के अंदर एक लॉजिक टेस्ट है, अब इसके अंदर आपको जाना है तो आप एंड पे क्लिक करो और आपके अंदर एंड के अंदर चले जाओगे. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो पहले हमें क्या करना है, सारे लॉजिक्स देने हैं जिसपे हमें डिक्लेयर करना है पास और फेल. तो हमारे पास लॉजिक क्या क्या है? हर सब्जेक्ट है और हर सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स कितने होने चाहिए? 45 से ज्यादा. यस और नो?
Yes,
राइट?
sir.
यू कैन टेक एनी मार्क्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग 45 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. अगर आपको 30 रखना है, आपको 40 रखना है, इट्स अप टू यू, राइट? सो टुडे वी आर द बॉस, वी आर द टीचर, सो वी कैन टेक एनी नंबर, राइट? सो सपोज, just a second. ओके, सो लॉजिक 1 मुझे देना है, राइट? सो लॉजिक 1 कैसे दूंगा मैं? एक्सेल के मार्क्स, राइट? इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 45. right? Yes or no? Right? Second logic, Power BI के भी होने चाहिए, greater than or equal to 45, right? Then SQL के भी होने चाहिए, greater than equal to 45. Then Python के भी होने चाहिए, greater than equal to 45. Got it? Now last is what? Percentage also. So percentage भी कितने होने चाहिए? 45% से above. Right? So every condition we have given, logic is given. Now we have to move to the if part, if argument function. So we have to click just on the if. Now you have to tell on this logic test, इस logic test पे अगर ये logic test सही होता है, true होता है, तो आपको क्या publish करना है? Tell me.
Pass.
What you want to publish? Huh?
Pass.
Pass. Right? And otherwise?
Fail.
Fail. Right? So your formula is correct. Now you press OK and you will get your result. What happened? Why she is getting fail? Just a second.
And that percentage symbol we have to give in condition percentage symbol.
Sorry?
M7 is equal to more 45%. We miss that one.
So tell me the error. What you are saying?
It's a 45% we will mention.
Right. We have to mention the percentage sign also. M7 should be what? Percentage. So that is why it's taking number and this is not matching anywhere. Right? So it's
Yes.
taking, it is not achieved. So that is why it's telling you fail. And when you publish in every student, you will get fail. See? Got it? Now what I'm doing, I'm changing here. 45%. Right? Now when you press enter, you will get pass, right? And just do for others, right? Now you can see you have pass, and then fail, right? Let's see why they are fail. 60% greater than 45, 45, 40. Oh, less than 45, right? And again, Chetan is also less than 45 in Python. Then Chetna is also less than 41 in SQL.
Equal.
And Harshad is also less than SQL. So you understood, right? Jyoti is also failed. Other than everyone is pass. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Everything is clear, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to tell me if I have to declare the same result, right? But using if or condition, what I have to do? But you have to use if or condition. And you know the meaning of or, right? If anyone is true, then you will get the result. So I want the same answer. Same answer. Here. But using if or. So instead of if and, you have to use if or, right? So you have to just tell me, if you don't have your laptop, then you can just tell me, okay, sir, we have to change this, we have to change this. So I will do the modification and let's see you are getting this answer or not. Right? आपको केवल बताना है कि क्या चेंज करना है इसमें मेरे को, कि if ये तो चेंज करना ही है, if और and की जगह पर और लेके आना है मेरे को. उसके अलावा मैं क्या चेंज करूं कि मेरा सेम रिजल्ट मुझे यही मिल जाए.
No change.
No change. आ जाएगा. Let's see. Okay. What I'm doing, I'm copy pasting this formula. Control C, Control V. Right? Now, यहां पे मैं and की जगह और कर देता हूं. Right? Now let's see. सारे पास हो जाएंगे.
Yes, sir.
देखो सारे हो गए पास. अब मुझे बताओ कि करोगे कैसे सही. यहाँ पे इफ और तो हो गया, मगर कंडीशन में कुछ तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा. दिमाग लगाओ ना. ये क्या कह रहा है? और कंडीशन के साथ मतलब है या तो इसमें पास हो जाए या इसमें हो जाए या उसमें जाए, किसी एक में तो पास हो ही रहा होगा, किसी में तो 45 से अबव होंगे। इस कंडीशन में फेल तभी होगा जब सब में 45 से नीचे होगा। यस और नो?
Yes.
तो वो तो कैसे करना पड़ेगा, दिमाग लगाओ। अब यहाँ पे कुछ भी डेटा एनालिसिस से रिलेटेड नहीं है, यहाँ सारा मैथमेटिक्स है, यहाँ थोड़ा तो दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा।
अगर एक सब्जेक्ट में भी पास है तो भी पास ही कहलाएगा।
हाँ तो मगर मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं चाहिए ना, मुझे तो सारे सब्जेक्ट में पास करना है तभी मैं रिजल्ट पास दूंगा। कंडीशन वही है पुरानी, मगर इफ और को यूज करना है यहाँ पे। और क्या कहता है, रिवर्स कंडीशन बता रहा है ना,
Yes,
तो थोड़ा
sir.
सा हिंट देता हूं, रिवर्स कर दो।
साइन चेंज करना पड़ेगा सर।
ओके, साइन
Plus
चेंज
sign.
करना पड़ेगा सिर्फ, और कुछ भी करना पड़ेगा। लेट्स डू दी साइन चेंज, राइट। सो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू है तो लेस देन इक्वल टू करूं,
Yes.
लेस देन इक्वल टू करना है कि केवल लेस देन करना है?
लेस देन करना है।
सिर्फ लेस देन ना, क्योंकि इक्वल टू तो हम पहले ले चुके हैं ना, 45 पे तो पास ही होगा ना। अगर हम फेल के
हाँ
लिए लेके चल रहे हैं तो हम लेस देन कर दें।
यस फुल लेस देन।
चलो हम लेस देन कर रहे हैं, देखो ये लेस देन किया मैंने, उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पे भी लेस देन किया, उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पे भी लेस देन किया, उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पे भी लेस देन कर दिया, और यहाँ पे भी लेस देन कर दिया। अब एंटर कर दूं,
No, sir.
फिर
Change the pass to the fail.
ओके यस, बिकॉज अगर ये सब कंडीशन में कोई भी एक ट्रू हो गई, किसी में भी एक में भी 45 से नीचे आ गए, 45 से नीचे परसेंटेज आ जाए या मार्क्स आ गए, तो आप उसको क्या दिखाना चाहोगे?
फेल।
फेल। तो पहले मुझे दिखाना है फेल,
पहले
राइट।
फेल
इफ कंडीशन इज ट्रू देन यू हैव टू गेट आउटपुट एज ए फेल,
फेल।
अदरवाइज ही विल बी पास। तो हमने रिवर्स कर दी कंडीशन, right? So now you can press enter and you will get your required result. See, it's same,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes,
Understood everyone?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
So we have completed the analysis that what we can do in here, and tomorrow we will see how we can create the charts and how we can do the analysis with the help of the charts and everything, right? So if you have any doubt you can ask me, otherwise we have done for today. No doubts?
नो सर।
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
राइट, सो इजी है आई थिंक, और आई थिंक कुछ लोगों को ये आता होगा पहले से, राइट। सो जिन लोग नए हैं उनको आ गया, क्लियर है,
Yes, sir.
राइट। सो एवरीथिंग, एवरी मॉड्यूल विल बी लाइक दैट ओनली, वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक। अभी हमने बेसिक से स्टार्ट नहीं किया, हमारा बेसिक स्टार्टिंग से एडिशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन पावर कैसे लेते हैं, किस तरीके से हम मर्ज करते हैं सेल को, एवरीथिंग व्हाटएवर प्रेजेंट इन दिस रिबन, whatever present in this ribbon you will get to know how to use the different interfaces also. If I talk about the different interfaces, see, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, everything you will get to understand about these interfaces, power pivot, right? Everything will be there in the training sessions. Understood how you can save this file, right? Suppose we have taken this, make this file, and we have to save this for the future purpose for tomorrow also. So I'm just going to file, save as option, and I have made your folder, this PC you have to, right, in the desktop, and the desktop you have this folder Ankur, my name, and there's 30 days training, right? In here we have the data analysis, right? The new data analysis, right? So I have saved this workbook at that place. Got it? So more things we will understand, and when you come in the training and each and everything. So let's meet tomorrow for the visualization part of our data analysis. If no doubt, we can drop our call meeting here, right? No doubts?
No.
No,
Okay. Okay. So thank you, everyone. And let's meet tomorrow. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Shruti, can we can exit now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Vineet, you are asking something in Python? Anyone saying something? Shruti, end कर दूं meeting?
हाँ, yes, sir. Please end the meeting.
कर दूं end?
हाँ, कर दो.